Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix if your TikTok sound is removed. So what you can do, or if you try to upload a TikTok video before and it got muted, so what you can do to fix that is to first go to your TikTok app and then just tap onto the plus icon right there in order to post, and then here on your gallery just pick the photo or video that you want to upload. So I'm just going to click on to the some random videos here in my gallery for just for sample purposes. So and then what you can do here on the sounds on the bottom part of the screen, just go ahead and tap onto that and then just pick any sound that you want to add in there. So you can go ahead and just pick onto that. So after a few seconds, you should be able to add the sound on your video. But what you will need to do is to go to the volume section right there. So tap onto the sounds and then tap onto the volume on the bottom right part, and then turn down the volume of the added sound. Just like that, and then click on to done, and then tap on next and then post your video. So the sound of your video should be saved and your video will not be muted. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.